Here's a quick demonstration of our equipment access control unit. Members or students are assigned an RFID card. Here we have two examples. Using the web interface, the green card is authorized on this bandsaw while the red card is not. Right now, the unit is in a standby state and nothing happens when the switch is turned on or off. If the unauthorized card is used, the unit will check for permission and then blink red while still preventing the equipment from being powered on. Now, when an authorized user scans their card, the unit will turn green and allow the user to turn on the equipment. The control unit will remain in a powered on state while the equipment is in use. Once the user turns off the equipment, the unit will return to its standby mode. Likewise, if a user requests access and does not turn on the equipment, the unit simply returns to a standby mode state after a short delay. Currently, the unit is set up to turn on as soon as an authorized user scans their card, even if the power switch is in the on position. Using the web interface, a safe start setting can be enabled. This is useful for equipment with a toggle switch such as this bandsaw. Now when safe start mode is enabled, if a user requests access while the switch is in the on position, the power is quickly cut. Otherwise, if the power switch is in the off position when access is requested, the unit will behave normally. The web interface also provides the ability for shop operators to control the equipment, such as latching the unit in the on position. This is great if you need to allow usage for a one-time class and it does not make sense to assign RFID cards. The unit can also be disabled from the web interface, preventing users from turning it on or requesting access. This is a great feature if the equipment needs to be taken offline for repairs, or if you simply have a policy in place requiring that a shop operator be present while the equipment is being used.